Hey guys, this is Align. I wanted to share a resource with you guys that I find invaluable. This is a resource that you can use. I know Doc mentioned the CETA challenge, and I saw his video on it. Super cool, super dope. At any rate, I know that a lot of people mentioned, having a difficult time trying to find topics and so forth. So, I want to share a resource with you that I use in order to write blogs and come up with content questions and things like that. This resource is called Answer the Public, and you can see in the at the top the address bar, you can see answerthepublic.com. Now, I have a paid subscription, but you can actually submit topics, 3 topics a day for free, and you'll get a list of questions that people are asking on Google. So this is if I can talk right. This is curated from Google. So these are the questions that are most often asked by people in the search engines. So what you can do is you can also choose whatever country you're from. So if you are in a country other than the US, then you can choose your country. I'm going to choose United States because that is my country where I am. Well, I'm in Japan, but blah, blah, blah. Anyway, so if I want to attract an audience in Japan, I mean in the United States, it's morning here, y'all. Bear with me. At any rate, let's say you want to find out, and I did artwork, but let's say he talked about blacksmithing in his video. So you want to type in blacksmithing, and then you want to hit search. And what it'll do is it'll pull all the questions about blacksmithing that are being asked out there. It takes a little bit of time. All right, so it returned 58 questions for blacksmithing. Now, let me zoom in. Let me see if I can get closer. Okay, so Doc is going to get me for this. He did tell us how to zoom in, but for some reason, it doesn't want to be friendly with me. Sorry, Doc. All right, so if you zoom in, you see that there are several questions here. There are questions with why, will, are, who, how, and what, where, and when. Okay, there are also uh, prepositions. So you can go and look at these prepositions, and you can pick out topics to discuss in your videos. So here's one. And oh, by the way, the ones with the darker green dots are the ones that are most often asked. Okay. So when did blacksmithing start? That's a very common question that's being asked. So you can create a video around when blacksmithing began. When was blacksmithing made popular? Let's go to how. Here's a question on how blacksmithing how to get started. So that's a topic that somebody is asking questions about. And don't shy away from the ones that are lighter green, because those are still questions that are being asked on Google. They're just not being asked as often or not as popular, but there are people out there who are asking those questions. And the good thing about using Answer the Public is if you decide to write a blog, because you can you can use these questions in multiple ways. You can write a blog. You can, when you write your blog, you can insert your video, and this increases your SEO, which is my area of love. This increases your SEO because you're going to connect this information and this content to your website. Okay, so you can go in, like I said, this is a free account. Um, you can get a free account, I should say, and you can use that account and get results 3 times a day. So you can use it 3 times a day, generate these questions. You can actually download these questions into as a CSV. You can share the questions. You can scroll down to different areas of the page and you can find words that are also part of content you can use to create content. So, Answer the Public is amazing. I love Answer the Public. So, if you have any questions, feel free to ask me, in the group or whatever the case may be. I am here to help. Again, I just wanted to share this information because I know that people are attempting to come up with content ideas, and this is a great way to start, especially if you are in different countries and you're targeting different audiences. You can you can just come up with a gazillion questions because people in different countries may be asking different types of questions related to your area of expertise. So I just wanted to share that with you. Here's one. Oh, Doc did mention artwork. Here's one about artwork that I pulled up because there's a member of the Ecamm fam who is into artwork. And so these are the questions that came out about artwork. I know Doc is cringing right now at me using this Zoom feature, and I have a Mac. Sorry. Excuse me. Can artwork be copyrighted? Can artwork be depreciated? Here are some questions. How does artwork become wonderful? How is artwork powerful? How artwork empowers a person? Whose artwork? I don't know that one. Whose artwork is a maid of honor? At any rate, just want to share this with you guys. Love you. I love this group. I love Ecamm, and I will chat with you guys soon.